Hey, this is Kurt's Boat Doctor out at Lakeside. Fresh water, look at that lake, just like glass. Big Jim, what do you think? Maxim, I don't know, 2004 maybe. Anyway, I'm taking this boat out. He purchased 2 new Garmin's electronics. I don't know if you can set that. I'm going to set those up at VHF. All those lights worked. Buddy bearings look good. He's got a T99. I'll run it out. Looks like he's got a Garmin there. I'll just double check everything, make sure it works. But the main thing we did is, I believe, it just fixed the horn, maybe a bilge pump, I think, and install the electronics, and I'll set them up. It's got the Kodiack 3-stage, it looks like. Yeah, 1-2 collars. Yep. Anyway, so that must have the chev 350 in it, I imagine. 2002 actually. I was off a couple years. Dog house, good. Motor in there. Walk around back, yep. Looks good. Had a half tank of gas. I'll probably just be idling it around or floating out here setting up everything. Just start once in a while to get the batteries up. All right. Nice boat. Nice reverse chine on it, 14-degree V probably. In the rear. Oh, boat looks good. All right, Boat Doctor out.